Welcome back to my channel. I tried to record this and I wasn't recording. I don't know who I was talking to, but I was talking to you guys. Anyways, today is May 22nd. Right now my aunt, she's not here anymore, guys. I'm so sorry. I know I said I'm gonna like vlog when she comes, and I vlogged as best as I could, but her time was very short. She comes every year. I go to Jamaica, so you guys are gonna see everyone again. Don't worry, it's just a matter of time. But yeah, what my mind is just all over the place. Okay, so let me get serious. So I possibly can't vlog everything. I try my hardest to vlog as much as I can, but this time I just wasn't able to. My aunt said she's gonna try the whole vlogging thing because I told her to get her own channel, and you guys really want to see her on her own channel and just, you know, her with her friends and stuff like this, because my channel is like kind of my point of view and like the interactions I have with my family, and I think it would be cool if she vlogged and like showed her point of view and all that stuff, but she's really busy. So I don't know, she said she's gonna try and vlog dream weekend for me so I can have that for you guys, so you guys can kind of see her in her element with her friends and stuff. What else? I was trying to go to like the grocery store, but I don't know, I just got really nervous and I was like, I'm not going to no damn grocery store by myself right now. Also, I want to thank everyone that ordered from Island Girl Luxe. Oh my gosh, I literally get an order every single day, and I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. My goal is to get 100 orders by June 12th, because on the 13th I am removing all the accessories, all the bags, all the clothing items and stuff like that. So if you guys see something that you like, because I just updated the site with some new goodies, so let me show you. So I just added this new bag right here. So I just added this bag. This has been up there for a while. A few of you guys ordered this one. This one is like the most popular. And then a few of you guys ordered this one. I just added this waist bag because some of you guys were asking for the iridescent waist bag, so I just added that as well. And then I brought this one back because so many of you guys like wanted this necklace, and I brought it back in all colors. So gold, the royal blue, this is silver, then we have red, and then the rose gold. And then obviously we have the Jamaican necklaces, what I started off with, and I'm wearing that one right now. We have the choker. I just added this 2-piece set. Earrings. You guys are loving this necklace so much. And then I added these earrings, which you saw in the car, and my aunt actually has these earrings. She loved them, so I gave them to her. Basically what's in the store right now. So if you guys see something that you love, then I definitely encourage you to order before the 13th so you can secure your items. And yeah, so thank you guys once again for ordering from Island Girl Luxe. The link is down below if you would like to check it out. Also I'm gonna do a haul for you guys because you guys say you like when I do hauls, and in one of my vlogs you guys saw I went shopping with my aunt and my mom, and then I went shopping with my mom again. So I picked up the DKNY perfume. This is Donna Karan. Wait, this is Brooklyn Girl. I don't really like how it smelled. It smelled way different in the store. That's why I picked it up. And I hate that, like, that's like the same thing when you go to Sephora and you try on makeup and you come home and it's not even your shade. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it, and I left it in the bathroom, so anyone that goes in the bathroom and needs like a spray or something, it's there. It smells okay, but it smelled like way better in the store, and this is what it looks like. So it's like looks like the delicious apple, but it's called Brooklyn Girl. Or maybe I'll gift it to someone. I don't know. Can I gift it now that I put it on camera? I don't know. And then I picked up these Crest 3D White. These are like the trial, whatever, to whiten your teeth. I'm actually getting braces. I was supposed to get braces a year ago, guys. Like, I had my appointment set and everything, and I chickened out. Because I was like, my birthday that just passed, I was like, I'm going to have braces on my birthday. Oh no. So now I'm gonna finally get braces. I had my wisdom teeth removed and my teeth shifted, so that's why my teeth aren't even anymore. My teeth used to be perfect, and I had my wisdom teeth and then they just shifted. So yeah, I'm just gonna get braces. I was gonna do Invisalign, but you have to wear them for 22 hours, and each time you eat or drink anything that's not water, you have to floss, brush your teeth, and then no, give me the restrictions with braces. I'll just do braces, it's fine. And then I also got these, like, I love these things. These they're Scope. They're like the mini brushes, like you can put them like in your purse and stuff to like freshen your mouth, and I love them because at my job, like, the break is like super short and I'm always like talking to people and whatever. So when I eat, I like to freshen up my breath, and I can't chew gum while I'm talking to a customer. So yeah. And then I picked up this Juicy Couture waist bag. Looks like this. And I got a size medium because they didn't have a small or extra small. So I'm just gonna have somebody put like a hole in it, but it just looks like this. It just says Juicy, and then you wear it on your waist. And then I just have 2 more items. I picked up this Tommy Hilfiger makeup bag, and it's just when I usually travel to Jamaica, you guys, I put my makeup in a Lotta bag and keep it pushing. My mom is like, no, it needs to stop. So I got this to travel with, to put my makeup and stuff in, and she's right, because I don't even care. Like, I just put whatever, but it just comes with like 2 big compartments, so I can just put my makeup in there, and then I can just carry it in my hand as my personal item. So there's that. That's like for when I travel, though I'm not gonna be using it. And then I also got Calvin Klein clutch, and it has like a baby pink on top, and I think this is so cute. I think it would be like cute, like if I go out to dinner or something, I have like a little clutch to bring. And I got some other stuff, but the other stuff is not for myself, it's like for my family members and stuff. So yeah, so that's it. This is definitely going to be 2 vlogs in one, so I will see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the little bell so I know you guys are tuned into my channel. And thank you guys so much for the support, the love, the cute messages, and ordering from my online store. That means the world to me, so thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So good morning, guys. Mommy wanna say good morning. So I'm trying to vlog for you guys today, because this week I haven't like really uploaded any videos, and that's just because it's been like a patchy day. But I have we're gonna go to the fish market really quick. Actually should bring some Lasco for me. There was a Lasco up there.
Never see it.
I was getting used to it.
Lasco nice.
I didn't like it, but now I like it again. I like it when it's cold though. I noticed like
I love everything cold.
I love everything cold, especially water. Oh my gosh, with like little pieces of ice in it. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Mr. Paz, I'm making a last year month for you. Enough your business, that are my business. My business and your fastness. My blows over Burlington.
Relax, you're buying too much clothes.
Of your money?
No, it's not. So guys,
you are always talking.
So I buy too much clothes? When's the last time I bought clothes? I bought a jean skirt from American Eagle, and that was Oh. Mom.
Liar, that's what you get.
Mom, what clothes have I bought?
What clothes you have, but you don't put up in your bucket.
Yeah, but that was in the past. We were talking about the present.
Past, that day you what clothes you buy. All the red long skirt and all of that. With the rest of
Mom, that was like 2 months ago.
2 months ago? Let me buy what I want to buy.
Yeah.
Okay.
True, man. True. Okay. Mom, but I buy little...
man or you?
I know, Ma.
This is you want to rule me, but you not rule me, you know?
Me rule you? That the world must... Pigs must be flying, okay? Me rule you? I don't want to rule nobody, okay? So anyways, guys, I do not buy...
You can't carry my body.
No. We have food shopping to do. Mom, you're talking about putting stuff on your body and your belly's empty? Not I. I'd rather be full. Mom, let me ask you something. I asked Leisha this. Would you rather be like not well dressed and not well dressed and your belly full, or well dressed and your pocket is empty and your belly is empty?
No one day.
Which one are you picking?
I'm not dressed, I'm belly full.
What did Leisha pick?
Well dressed.
Yes. Leisha said I'd rather be well dressed.
You say me gone.
Mom, you see me right now?
I want blows and me gone.
No, I don't worry. Please.
Crazy. If you well dressed, I mean nothing. You mad?
Well, when you're well dressed, maybe a guy can buy you something.
You buy me nothing. You buy me nothing. When me not well dressed, we can't buy my more. You buy me nothing.
I'd rather have my belly full. When you're hungry, it is not a nice feeling.
Me if you well dressed out the road and me go, me not nothing to eat. No.
But you're well dressed though, to the T.
No.
No, you still would rather your belly full?
I'm about to hold a door. I'm a bank book full.
That's why I'm like, well dressed, you're hungry, and your pockets are broke? Oh, hell no.
What's up?
Me either. Walked in.
Sometimes you see some people and some name brand for how much $1,000, and you buy one blouse for $10, and one bottom, and when you put it together, you look better than them.
No, it's true. Because sometimes I see some
of better than them. One of them $1 million clothes, and you need a $10 blouse, and you look better than them.
Sometimes I see these celebrities in some things and they cost thousands and thousands of dollars. And I said, you couldn't give that to somebody that's homeless? You're wearing this ugly? I'm like, but everyone's taste is different. But some things I'm like, damn. Just because it's name brand.
If you mix so much, and buy how much $1,000 with a name brand, and today one different name brand come in for how much again? Me?
Well, Mom,
me no fuss over name brand. Mom, mix and match.
Yeah, but Mom, you can never like keep up with the trends unless you're a millionaire.
Nope.
Because once you bust one style, once one style busts, and then why does it say detour?
Black.
This says detour. I don't know why it took. Okay. Once one style busts, another one comes out.
Yep.
So yeah, so I don't see how anyone
can keep up with it.
Right, that's working an average 9 to 5 keeps up with the trends. I think as long as you look good and it's how you wear it, you're Gucci.
Mix and match.
Yeah.
$10 blouse.
I like expensive shoes though.
$19 pants.
There's these shoes I want, Mom, and in the back of my head, I don't know if I should do it. How much is too much for a pair of shoes?
200.
Okay, they're too much. They're way too much then. I really like them though. You know, when it comes to like...
I know some of the buy one pack clothes, more shoes, because guess what? You see the shoes and the bag them after a while they start strip.
Well, that's it. But if you don't buy like a nice bag though, Mommy.
You don't buy no nice bag. We buy one bag one hole we can put on in it.
No, Mom, you can buy a nice leather bag. And no? You rather buy clothes? I'd rather have like one solid handbag and one solid black shoe and one solid nude shoe. That's it. You know what I mean? I love shoes. I said I was gonna sell some of my shoes on Poshmark. I have like brand new shoes I've never even like wore, and nobody takes me out, so why am I playing myself? Right? Right, mommy? Or wrong?
Correct change. Time no come yet.
When is my time? You tell me to wait on my correct change for everything, and still now I'm standing at the cashier.
Turn up some more.
So hey guys, I've been home for a while. Let me get my phone. I've been doing some work for everyone that signed up for my online class. For everyone that signed up for my one-on-one coaching for your online business. Right now I have 2 more appointments, and that is it for everyone that signed up for my online one-on-one classes, which I love working with you guys. It's absolutely amazing, and I'm so excited for everyone that signed up. Also, I am going to do a webinar. My goal is to have a webinar that that I want at least 10 people to sign up. That's my goal, to have 10 people sign up for this webinar. It's gonna be for people that want to start their own business, or they already have their own business but they don't know how to take it to the next level. So basically the class is gonna have marketing. It's gonna talk about how to use Facebook and Instagram and stuff with Pixel. We're gonna talk about MailChimp. It's gonna be very in-depth for somebody that wants to kind of get an in-depth explanation of things that you should have set up for your business, whether it be marketing strategies, or if you're looking to track everybody that buys from you and stuff like that. So if I can have 10 people sign up for my webinar, that's my goal. So if you would like to start your own, well, if you would like to start your own online business, or you already have your business but you possibly might be interested in the webinar, then leave your email down below or send me a private message. And send me a private message on my Instagram or Snapchat or my email. That's like the best way to contact me. But yeah, I'm really excited like to add like a lot of business stuff. Oh, and then another thing, I know I'm closing out the vlog, but I just want to inform everybody. So everyone that has been emailing me, Snapchatting me, and Instagramming me about the business courses every Monday, I deleted all the videos because you guys send me so many questions. So now I'm in the process of re-recording all the business videos with the questions that you guys asked. So that's why it's taking a little bit of time, because I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the correct information. And a lot of you guys ask me questions that pertain to your own business, so it's a lot. Like, I don't just turn on my camera and then I just talk about whatever. If I don't know something, I do research, or I have a mentor that he's he's very successful, he's in business and stuff like that, and he knows a lot. Like, I've learned like a lot from him. So yeah, so if you guys were wondering about the videos, that's basically what happened. Like, you guys sent me so many questions, and yeah, so I did not forget about you guys. I just want to make sure I'm answering all your questions. And I'm calling my mom because I have to season some fish.
Hello?
Mom, how am I supposed to season the fish?
Put little black pepper on the liquor on purpose. You never add purpose.
What is it?
Yeah, the all-purpose for the chicken season.
And black pepper.
Uh-huh.
How many pieces should I do?
I'll be on how much did it.
Hold on. So I don't like rinse it off
What chance it is?
with cold water?
Uh-huh.
Hold on, I'm gonna tell you. Well, that's just great.
Yeah. Hmm?
Mom, there's black pepper already on it.
Already? Where's the sauce?
There's black pepper already on it.
Alright.
So just what? Add some chicken seasoning on
There's
it?
no problem with that means the same season.
Well, I put water on
Just
it.
like it's out, and like it's season. If just a funny season.
All right, bye. I love you.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, so I just poured water all over the freaking floor. That's great. But we're having bonita for dinner, and my mom, I don't know how to cook. I can't even cook rice, so y'all know I can't cook bonita. Buy these true juices from Jamaica. They're so good. My aunt brought them up. I like pine and ginger. That's my favorite. She didn't bring that one, but the guava and pineapple is bomb. That's if you like fruit juices. If you don't like fruit juices, I don't think you're gonna like them. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I can edit it and have it up for you guys tonight. Plus I have to do a whole bunch of cleaning as well. So, and guys, this water is so good for you. So I will see you guys tomorrow. No, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday for the next vlog because I have plans on Saturday.